What's up, everyone? Welcome back to ZTech. Today we've got something huge. Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 8.5 for older Galaxy devices. I managed to install this stable update on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and now I'm walking you through everything new I've found. From fresh UI changes to powerful new features, this update brings a lot to unpack, so stick around till the end because it only keeps getting better from here. Starting with quick settings, the first thing you'll notice is the tiles now look noticeably larger compared to One UI 8. The entire panel also feels brighter, making everything easier to read at a glance. It's a subtle change, but it immediately improves visibility and the overall feel of the control center. And just when you think that's it, there's a lot more happening once you start interacting with it. Now, when you hit Edit in the control panel, Samsung has basically opened the doors wide for customization. You're not just rearranging tiles anymore, you can fully reshape how everything looks and behaves. From repositioning elements to resizing them individually, it feels way more flexible than before. Even sliders and media controls can be adjusted, but what's coming next takes this customization even further. If you go deeper into personalization, things get even more powerful with GoodLock and the QuickStar module. After installing it, there's a new advanced option that lets you resize panel items freely. You can fine-tune tile sizes exactly how you want. There's also a toggle for showing exact bar levels, so brightness and volume adjustments become much more precise, and even the panel style itself can be changed with images, transforming the entire look of your control center. One of the standout additions in One UI 8.5 is the new screen recording upgrade. Inside the control panel, the screen recorder now includes a partial screen option. This lets you select only a specific area of your display to record instead of the whole screen. You even get a magnifier tool to fine-tune the selection perfectly. Once set, you just hit record and it captures exactly that region. But there's more AI-related upgrades coming up next. Samsung has also introduced a smart call feature inside the phone app called Call Screening. You can enable it from the dialer settings under the three-dot menu. Once active, it can answer unknown or spam calls on your behalf and ask who's calling and why. You still have full control to jump in anytime, but the real value shows up when those unknown calls start getting filtered automatically in the background. Another major upgrade is the improved audio eraser feature. Earlier, it worked mainly on recorded content, but now Samsung has expanded it to work inside streaming apps too. That means even while watching videos on apps like YouTube, you can reduce background noise in real time from quick settings. Whether it's loud crowds or distracting sound, you can adjust it instantly from quick settings, and this is where things start getting even more interesting. Now let's talk wallpapers, because Samsung has taken creativity to another level. Inside Wallpaper and Style, the new Creative Studio lets you generate wallpapers just by describing what you want. Instead of relying on templates, you can type your own idea and the system builds it for you. Different styles are available too, giving you full freedom to design your home screen exactly how you imagine it. And next, the gallery gets even smarter. Inside the Gallery app, editing has been upgraded with Galaxy AI. When you open any image and tap Edit, you'll see a new AI option called Photo Assist Create. You can simply describe what changes you want, and the phone applies them automatically. It understands your prompt and transforms the image in seconds. But that's not all, because there's another AI trick built into this system. The gallery doesn't stop at simple edits. You can now blend images together. That means you can take objects from one picture and merge them into another, and Galaxy AI handles the blending smoothly. It intelligently combines both elements into one natural-looking result. But while we're still in the gallery, there's another feature that focuses more on privacy rather than creativity. Samsung has added a new private album option in the gallery. You can select sensitive photos and move them into this hidden space. Once moved, they won't appear in your regular gallery or other apps. Access is locked behind your fingerprint, keeping everything secure and out of sight. And from privacy, we move into something equally smart on the lock screen. The lock screen itself now behaves more intelligently with wallpapers. When you apply a background, the clock automatically adjusts so it never overlaps with the subject in your image. Even without adaptive clock enabled, it still aligns itself properly. You can also reposition the subject freely for better composition, and there's even a new weather display option you can enable during setup. That's pretty much everything new in One UI 8.5, from UI refinements to AI upgrades across the system. Now I want to know which features stood out most for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown on ZTech, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.